Well, this is your master fabricator, Big D Ford. You about to see what about to do with this bed. This bed sat outside, you wouldn't believe it, 15 cotton picking years. But stay tuned, you finna watch what I'm about to do with it. Okay, got the one level of rusty metal primer on there. Just to stop it, because I sanded it down. I thought I was recording on the other thing. I got to really get that stuff right. So I got one coat in there. It's drying up real quick. Rusty metal primer on the inside of the bed. Don't worry about the tailgate, just the inside, because I'm gonna start doing some work right in this area here before I put all of that stuff together. All that metal you see stacked on the wall got to be welded and put in. So right now we just got one little coat of the rusty metal primer on here. Probably do another coat just to make it a little thick before I start drilling and cutting holes for the battery boxes, which will be batteries over there. So one more step at a time. My goal is to get this thing all primed in black and then paint it black in here for now, slow the rust down. The outside bodywork guys are doing that, testing different colors, see what I might like, what I might not. I don't know if I am one of those. Well, gosh darn it, we're back. I got the old engine hoist on it and got some straps. And by the way, if you can do that, you can do anything with the engine hoist and straps. Some idiot I know named Derek cut the dang on stupid 2x4, so I had to use straps. But I got it on there. You see me muscling on there and getting everything right, sliding it into place, trying to get it right on there. But it's the twisting and the teetering and the tottering and everything else. But I got it on there, as you can see. And woohoo, I'm super happy. So guess what? Here comes the next big thing. Okay, that's completely aired out. All the way down the side. Hard to tell in the video how aired out it is, but it's off the ground, of course, about 3 or 4 inches. Front's aired out, back's aired out. Something good I got. Maybe an inch or two of clearance over the bottom rail. Same passenger side.
Y'all keep it gangsta, keep it gangsta, y'all keep it gangsta, keep it gangsta, y'all keep it gangsta, keep it gangsta, y'all keep it gangsta.
That's that gangster pose right there. All the way aired out when it's sitting on the ground. It'll be about 4.5, 5 inches off the ground. So I still have clearance here, so my tubs don't have to go up this high, but I'm gonna bring them up to about probably right at the base of this, so I can keep it snug down. All that because my bags are in the middle instead of the top. So I think she looks pretty decent to me. Yep, I think she's gonna be alright. So let's see. Yeah. Yeah. I like the ass end look. Roll pan. Big blower sticking out the front. Oh, she gonna be something serious. I gotta get this grill polished. Stay tuned.
Y'all keep it gangsta, keep it gangsta, y'all keep it gangsta, keep it gangsta, y'all keep it gangsta.